So it deals with the financial stability and infrastructure of the United States. And what they said in that memorandum is that they're going to be looking, hopefully, to approve or to positively deal with cases where it's clear that businesses will be generating jobs for U.S. workers and contributing to the financial infrastructure of the United States. So what types of cases are those? Well, number one, those could be H-1B cases where an individual is an owner, right? An owner in the business. Number two, it could be a national interest waiver case, an EB-2 case, where an individual is, where you don't need a sponsor, by the way, you don't need an employer sponsor, and the individual is adding value through generating jobs for U.S. workers.
See, EB-2, listen, at this point I want to mention something under which many of our viewers could benefit. They have a case pending in employment third preference. And the employment third preference I see here for India, for example, is July 2002. You are looking at under 7-8 years of waiting. Now, always consider the possibilities of going under EB-2 category, and the date there is much better. The employment second preference for India is, let me see, 2007. So this may be 3 or 4 years against 7 or 8 years. Now, with this expanded thing, basically what used to be, in my opinion, previous to this memorandum, that people that open their own company and then sponsor themselves as a H1 or a EB-2. The Department of Labor always said no to that being an owner of the company that you are sponsoring yourself on EB-2 labor certification cases, and also on the H1 cases too.
Right.
But this now they are looking at jobs. So jobs is a big problem for the country. They are saying that if you are doing something that will open up more jobs, then we are considerate that you can even start your own company, and your own company sponsors you for H1.
Right.
Provided, of course, there is the job creation, again, the same factor. Same thing, you apply for a green card, you have a labor certification, you want to apply under a second preference category. Even if you own the company yourself, as long as you are, again, meeting the requirement of job creation, that is okay. Am I right?
Yes, yes, you are, Michael. And as I mentioned before, I believe that what it is an expansion of the underpinning, one of the cases that dealt with the national interest waiver in the early 90s called the Mississippi phosphate case. And in that case, they laid out what was considered to be in the nation's interest, and obviously generating jobs for U.S. workers and contributing to the financial stability of the United States was considered to be in the nation's interest.
David, thank you very, very much for coming on the program, and we both will continue to come on more and more programs for our viewers. They love us. They want to hear more valuable information like this we did today.
Thank you for having me.
आपका भी बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करते हैं इस प्रोग्राम को देखने का. प्लीज़ देखते रहिए हमेशा हर सैटरडे को शाम को 6 बजे, और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन हमारे पास आता रहेगा वो हम इस प्रोग्राम के आपको देते रहेंगे. अगर आपको कोई भी सवाल हो, सुझाव हो, कमेंट्स हैं, तो आप हमें कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. हमारा नाम, पता, एड्रेस सब स्क्रीन पर बताया गया है. थैंक यू वेरी मच एंड गुड बाय.